What's up, guys? Welcome to the live stream. Today we are live trading from the Jersey Shore. Got the bay in the background, got my charts up here. Gonna get my AI stock scanner out, and we're gonna have a great day. Market opens in 7 minutes, so I'm gonna keep doing my pre-market prep, getting ready, and getting everything set up. So let's have a great day before we go out, get some birdies, get some more work in. So let's go. Market's about to open right now. We're gonna see what happens. Looks like it's ripping already, so I guess we'll see if it rips on the open or, you know, normally it just rips on the open and there are no opportunities, but got a big gap down on a few of these stocks. Nvidia, Intel, basically everything gapping down here with the market. So not expecting a huge move down. Nvidia here, I don't mind it at this gap, this bottom, but I just think it's probably going to fill the gap. I always like to test how fast my orders go in. That was pretty slow, so did not like that. Let's keep watching, see what we're gonna get here. Gotta get my other scanner up as well. Gonna get some music on here. have all like the chip stocks on my right screen, so that's why I'm always looking at the right screen. Those things are actually moving. The market's just going sideways right now. Waiting to see Nvidia at this key level is just, I mean, it just fouled on this first 1 minute buy and it doesn't really look that good right now. Intel at a key level. We'll see. I mean, chances are we're just gonna rally back up, but a lot of times it's hard. Tesla looks really good on this 1 minute buy, but there's just no key level here, so just not getting in on that. AMD, again, not a key level, not really much here. Apple, I mean, what the heck is that chart? Come on. Rocket Lab on a tear recently. Again, good level. Bars are too big. Took a nice trade on Rocket Lab and APLD on a breakout yesterday. And then on Tesla, I was taking some trades in here. Got a long right here, covered up into here for a nice 4R on those couple of trades on those different stocks yesterday. Today, we'll see what happens. Patiently waiting. See if the NASDAQ will want to come down and test this 2900 level, and then on the ES, the 7400 level would be substantial if we see what happens there. I haven't really had a big pullback like this yet, so gotta be careful because it could definitely pull back pretty far. I mean, went up from 550 to 710 on the QQQs. If we came down to 650, I wouldn't be surprised. SPY could come down to 700. Test this level for sure. But right now, we're day trading, so that doesn't matter. Right? I don't know, it doesn't really look like I could take a long here. It just looks like dangerous with, there's not really much support, especially like literally nothing here because it just went straight up. And then on the SPY, I mean, down here at 735, there's a little bit of support. The futures are really what I'm watching because, we have this good level in the NASDAQ, but still, like, with all the stocks rolling over like this, it's hard to say, like, that they're just going to bounce right away. Like, I don't think that's going to be the case. Normally, I don't see any opportunities at the moment. Nothing crazy's happening. I'll just get my golf clubs and practice my swing or my putting stroke and keep my AI stock scanner up. I don't have it running right now because it makes my computer crash with like having my two charting systems open. Live streaming takes up a lot of my computer, and then the AI stock scanner computes a lot of stuff as well. So when all this stuff is open, it's not quick and it basically can't even trade, but probably get that thing on right afterwards, or gonna put it on my uncle's computer. So if you guys are interested in the AI stock scanner, I'm gonna be going live with it in the next week or so. You guys go check it out. Will be super cheap to subscribe to it monthly. And if anyone's interested, I could sell the code and a video on how to set it up yourself so you can choose your own watch signals and stuff and do whatever you want with it. Yeah, so we're starting to consolidate at the lows here on the NASDAQ. And when I see something like that happen, I just think, man, like, there's definitely not a long here. And it's just hard for me to short. Um, you know, with all this support here and with how strong the market is coming into this key level here, this upward trend line that we've been holding for a while, I just don't know if I could short it, which is unfortunate. It's a really good looking narrow bar reversal on PLTR ranging, but it's just totally against the trend. So I guess kinda, it's against the trend on the 60 minute and like here, but I mean, on the 30 minute, it's kind of just going sideways. That was a little crazy, but it was a really good looking trade. Lost 11 bucks there. That was, I guess maybe it didn't even trigger, but that looked really good there. I think it could still go. I thought it triggered over this high, but maybe it didn't. Just barely missed it. Yeah, I think it just barely missed it. So immediately got stopped out, but dude. About to see what happens here. Looks like, you know, I just got stopped out. It's about to rip, but I mean, I thought, you know, we're holding above this moving average, 5 minute, super bullish bar coming out of this key level here. I thought we were just gonna rip, and that did not happen. I actually thought of entering again on the 2 minute, but I mean, we're about to see if it even goes. It might just, you know, go back down to the lows here. Yeah, so looks like it's just messing around now. Might not even have been a really right idea there, but we'll see what happens. Dude, I actually think I was in that trade for maybe like 2 seconds. It was insane. Never had that happen before. Surprising that we're not getting any follow through. That looked extremely bullish, but I guess the Bears are, they showed up today to the fight. This is the charts I've been looking at over there. Got NASDAQ, ES, Intel, NVIDIA, AMD, MU. I'm gonna switch over to my uh, laptop camera here. Actually, I'll show you guys real quick. Look at that. Look at that, sir. How good is that indeed? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood here. It's a beautiful day out. Blessed to have this opportunity to trade and then, do some more work, get some birdies in at the course, practice for my upcoming tournament. But let me see if I can. There we go. What do you guys think? You guys like this view or not? It's a little windy out here, but hopefully this wind mic is getting me right. Yeah, so I'm filming a day in the life today on my YouTube channel. Quick one, so we got Bird down there. He looks like he's, picking weeds and stuff.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Working.
Congrats, brother.
Are you gonna work today?
whole market's just getting crushed right now. Well, not getting crushed, but consolidating at the lows. Chances are we just gonna end up doing nothing, and with such a big gap down, a lot of times it just goes sideways anyway. I'm not expecting a big move today. Probably just gonna, you know, look back, look at my Nvidia trade, see if I could have done anything differently. Right now, I think I really wouldn't have done anything differently. It looked really good on the 1 and the 2 minute, and no matter if I took it on the 1 or the 2, I would have gotten stopped out. Or if I would have taken the 5-minute ribby, I would have gotten stopped out. And they all looked really good. So that's just that time where, you know, it's a great trade and it just doesn't end up working out for you. But hey, $11 gone, not a big deal. Only like 2/3 of an R. Took a really small loss there. Glad I did, because it's not ripping, it's just going sideways, or it might probably gonna go lower. So glad I'm not holding a big loss today on Nvidia, just a super small one. And I got Nvidia long at 170 in my other account for a swing trade, so taking a loss on that, I'm not too mad about that. I got that going. So take a look. Probably not going to do any more trades today, but hey, I'll be back next week for some more trades, see if there are any opportunities, and gonna get working on my live scanner for you guys. And hopefully, if you guys are interested, I'll get lookouts for some shorts, YouTube long videos. Follow me on Instagram at Don V Trades. Right there, right below my head, you'll see that. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. The Lord be with you. The Lord bless you and keep you, and make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. Don B Trades out. Until next week.